Hi everyone, welcome to Building Public with Jahid. We're gonna build a Revolut type of app, a financial app, which you can actually use it, have some AI integration with it, so it will be AI powered financial app. And also, what we do today is that we are gonna launch it to App Store. So we're gonna push it to TestFlight. So this video is about building a mobile app like Revolut, having the backend, having the front end, having an AI integration, so a smart AI feature, and pushing it to App Store. So I will walk you through step by step. So please watch it till the end, but also take your computer and then go try to build this app together, and then let's see how it goes. For your app to be deployed to App Store, you need to have Apple Developer accounts. It's $100 per year subscription, so you can get that. But here I'm going to show you step by step how it's actually being done. So let's just start building the Revolut type of financial app together. Perfect. So here is my natively page. I'm going to say build me a financial app which does these, tracks my income, saving, investment, AI powered financial advisor, like a chatbot. Second, gives me some investment. Let's say it like this, because I'm trying to come up with a problem here together. Investment section for stock market. Let's have this one. So we're gonna build this app. So we're building a Revolut type of app, which is like build me a financial app which does this stuff, tracks my income, saving, investment, have AI powered financial advisor like a chatbot, and then also have investment section for stock market. So we let natively agent to build this, and yeah, exactly. So we will push this app to App Store to test flight and then see how it works. So I'm gonna take it to step by step walk through, and then we'll see how it actually goes. So we're gonna learn together. Go have your tea, your drink, your snacks, and just also like have your computer, and let's vibe code together a mobile app. You can vibe code the same idea, or you can actually vibe code a different idea that you like. So what happens here is that natively has the backend itself, so it actually builds the backend and the front end together. So backend is the main infrastructure of our app, how it works, and then we have the front end, which is the design, how the UI looks like. So the agent is working here. You can see actually here is thinking, like working. You can see here the bar. You can actually drag it and then see what are the steps. But if you don't want to see the steps, you just hide it here. And yeah, you see that the backend is also being built here, and of course we can see the code here. So, but the main idea behind natively is to let anyone build mobile apps without knowing how to code. And this is a great mission. So we have the QR code here, so we're going to scan and see how the app looks like on our mobile app. I'm using my phone as a recording for the camera, so I'm not going to have that functionality, but we're going to test out the app here today. Uh, Perfect. So our agent is building this. So let's wait for some minutes and then see. It's usually taking some minutes, like 1 or 2 minutes, because we're building the backend and fronting together. So it takes a bit of time while the agent is building your app. Perfect. So here's our app ready, and we have already the login. So I'm trying to log in with Google. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna choose my natively account, and yeah, so we already have the nice, amazing. So here we are. We have our Revolut type of app ready, so it's quite basic for now. Welcome back, Jahed Sahi. Here is the total balance. We have the stocks here. We can add the stocks here. Which is interesting. Also, we have the chatbot that we asked for. Let's see and try to see if it works. Hi, I have 1,000 euros. What should I do with that? Let's see if this works. Okay, so this doesn't work, or let's see if it's actually, so it's processing. It's processing. So it actually gives me the analysis. Okay, so here is the answer, but it has to give me in a way more structured way. So I'm going to fix this. But it kind of works. So the AI is there, and it told me to split easily accessible separate savings account. Yeah, so there's more of a safety net for unexpected expenses. So it still writes about it. Let's wait and see how it works. So I'm gonna, actually, I took a screenshot of this. So I really want to have a clean, response here, not like, with random signs here. So I would just kind of like give this prompt for AI to fix it. I think now it's like, we have our app ready. It's more about, fine tuning it and making the experience better. So for you as well, just take it, step by step and try to, fine tune and kind of make the experience much better. So I'm going to give it this prompt. Thanks. Let's give a clean response because now it seems not very easy to read for the user. Responses should be clean and structured. Let's give it a go. So yeah, now we're in this phase of enhancing it, trying out to see what works, what not works, and like once we're done with this part, then actually I'm gonna like try to push this app to App Store, test flight first, and then we will see and follow those steps. And of course, here we have the Google Gemini AI already powered, so this will be good. And here we can have add transactions like income, let's say 1,000. This can be salary. So let's add it, of course. Perfect. So it's added here. And then we can add, let's say, savings. I have 1,000. And here I can say saving. Let's just say it, yeah, like that. Of course, yeah, I need to put the here is more about saving, let's say. And yeah, so we have the saving here as well, 1,000. But then what happens is that from the total, it went to the savings. So we have now savings, not total income. And of course, I can add investment as well. Let's say I have 1,000 investments, and then let's say stocks here, and yeah. And now we're minus because it took from our income. I'm gonna fix this that, for example, this has to be like total value, let's say, not like the total income here. Let's go and ask, our chat again because I give the prompt and then let's see if it's fixed. Hi, I have 10,000 euros. Give me some financial advices. Let's give it a go here. Perfect. So now we see that the reply is way more structured. It's clean. So this is how we work. So we just give prompt to native and then ask it to fix it. And I think I combine a screenshot with the prompt, so it's kind of works better. Now here we have like what are the like the tips. So I have build your emergency fund first, and then have eliminate high interest debt because they're like risky, and then also define my financial goals, what I want to achieve with investing or saving, and also invest for long-term growth if I want to. So here is that like it's quite well detailed answer from AI, and I think that this is something cool future because we already have we didn't need to go find the API key. So our Liquid backend already provides you the API key here, and also we have a database here that you can actually see. Um, so this is like powered by the Liquid backend that we have, and this is built in by natively. So here we have all the information here. So this is quite, but also we can see the tables here. So if we click here, edit tables, and then we can see all the tables here that what we have. And yeah, this is the experience. Amazing. So um, let's go with this one. Let's see, add some stocks if we can do it. Apple, a number of shares. So and then okay, maybe Apple is like AAPL. Yeah. So here is the sample is not valid. So let's put this. Okay, this actually works. Yeah. So, but what I'm gonna do is that, of course, I want to make it smart so that actually, it gives me an actual real time price for the stocks. But what I do first is that I'm gonna, work with the design first. I have worked with design a bit, so I'm gonna ask AI to just use that design that I have. So, I actually had some look on Pinterest, but also I got some ideas from other places. So I combined them. I asked AI, to combine those two designs and gave me a final design. So it's here and like folder that I uploaded here. So I'm gonna ask natively to actually, redesign my app based on that following image. So please use the following. Please use this for the branding and design of my app. So let's give it a go. So we just want to make the app design looking good. Now with AI, you really have to pay attention on the design of your app, how your app looks like, but also what is the user's journey looking like. So the users there are lots of things, lots of apps available for the users. So you just want to give them the basic experience out there. That's why you really have to find time to really focus on what matters the most. And also, first of all, like when you're building a mobile app, you have to think about what are the must-have features. So for me, like listing my income, my saving, my investment is the main feature, but also having the AI chatbot, which I can ask and talk to, is the main feature. And of course, having the stocks where I can just like track my stock, my portfolio of stocks, like how it's performing. But of course, it has to have live data, so it has to be accurate. Um, so this is it. Yeah, like super good. And then, I need to work on the design just to make it nicer. Um, and I just need to check it on Expo Go. Today I'm using my phone as a camera, but then if I wouldn't use it, then I would really kind of secure it and then see how it looks on my mobile phone, because we're building mobile apps, so we just have to see the experience on mobile. The agent is working to redesign our app, and we'll see what the outcome will be in some few seconds. And please let me know in the comments, what you're building, and if you want me to build any specific app, or if you want me to make content about a specific topic of vibe coding mobile apps. I would love to cover that. And yeah, we're releasing new features, lots of updates, so coming soon. Please wait for that. And we're just exciting, to enable everyone build mobile apps with native mobile apps that you can actually launch to App Store and Play Store. So soon we're gonna push this app to App Store. So wait for that. That's going to be a very interesting part. Amazing. So here's how our app looks like. So I actually copied the whole design that I gave. So this is a cool experience, and I really like the color because it just gives this feeling of warm feeling and also safety feeling. So I really like it. And we have here, all the information, investments, marriage savings. So yeah, like that's a nice naming, and also the emergency, funding, and we have the budgeting here, what are our budgets, and also we have all the activities here, and then here we have our stocks, and we can have also the chat here. So this is quite interesting. Yeah, and of course I can use visual editor to change some of the color stuff, or change the naming. Let's say I want to change this to savings, not married savings, so I just apply this changing. So I used Visual Editor here. For this, you can actually, save some prompts like using Visual Editor. So you just click here, and then you just you're in the Visual Editor here, and then you can actually adjust, you can adjust the design with Visual Editor. So that's the nice part here. Amazing. So imagine that we're done with our app now here. So it's all good. It works well. So we have the financial advisor here. Our app works nice. So and we have the stocks here as well. So what I do is that simply here is that to deploy the app to App Store. So we just go click more. We come here to deploy app. We actually deploy the app with Expo. So we just push the code to GitHub. We just need that because Apple need to have access for that. So we just make it public repo. And I'm gonna say, financial app. Let's create and migrate it. This is cool. Nice. Let's see it. It's working. It's pushing to let's open it in the GitHub. Perfect. So we have it all here. But before that, I really don't like the name here. It's like the name is Build Me a Financial App. So I'm gonna call it Fin. Let's call it Finna. Let's call it Finna actually. And the name of the app will be Finna app. Let's call it. What happens here also, now we have the icons here. So we can actually generate, an icon. Let's say financial tracker, and the type should be, it has to be iOS classic. Let's generate icon for our app. So before pushing it to App Store, so I would really love to have this icon updated, because I really like to have an app a nice icon. So we just push this here. Yeah, so the AI is generating this. So this is a new feature, where actually you can create icons for your app with natively, and please use this, yeah, and just create nice icons for your apps. Nice. So we can actually try this one, or maybe we just wanna try again, kind of create something else. But let's say I use this one, so this is much better, at least better than the first one, the old one. So it actually updated our icons, so we can see here. And let's now, go to deploy app. So we are deploying our app to App Store. And of course, it goes to place to TestFlight first, and then we will take it to App Store. So then what I do is that, I just have this, link. I just copy paste this link. So you just need to copy paste this link. And then what you do is that you just, open the Expo launch. I don't have the account here, so I'm going to deploy it from this page. So I just copy paste the GitHub, the repo link, and then I say launch. Then we're taking it, to the next step. So we say App Store, and then we just, name the app here. That's correct one. Let's, create the project. We just sign up with our Apple developer account. Here's my account, so I'm gonna sign up. Yeah, and I need to get the verification code. I'm gonna use my mobile because the email doesn't work. So I'm gonna get that code now. So I'm gonna insert my code. Yeah, so this is gonna be my app name and also the bundle. I'm gonna create the app. And yeah, then it's gonna prepare me the app, and then we just launch it. So now we just have to, wait for the app store. It will build our app, and it will just take, around 10 to 15 minutes, and then we will have the app in the test flight mode, and then we can just start using it. So our app is ready and it's in the app store. So we just go connect. So here I'm gonna sign up again to my Apple developer account. We just go get the password. Nice. So here we are. So here we can see our app. Build me a financial app. Okay, the name should be changed actually. So this one is updating, but it's still actually it's like processing. So this is the first version. And here, if you update the next ones, you can actually see the numbers are increasing. So with each update, you can push a new just number. And here we'll see the distribution. So this is actually, like where you're actually, uploading all the information for the app store. So what happens is that you'll have the app in test flight, for like 90 days at least, and then you can actually test it and then see how it works. You can also, create internal testing group. For example, you just let people to use like up to 100 testers like to use your app. It's more like beta tester, and then see how your app works, and then you can actually get feedback and improve your app. But of course, you can also directly just like download, publish your app to App Store. So like we just need to add the screenshots. You just need to put the promotional text, the description, keywords, short like URL. This is more for um, support URL. So this is more for like landing page if people need support. So all information is here. So today we're just gonna keep the app in the test flight, and then next time I'm gonna actually push the app to App Store and then show you how it actually being done. So that's the next step because I really want to test this app to see how it works. So yeah, this is it. So we build a financial app that actually so like now we have it on test flight. So once you have it here, then you will receive an email, to actually go test it out. So we haven't received the email yet. That's why, I was waiting, and then it might take a bit more longer, like some time for Apple to send me the link with it. But like once I have the link, then I can go and test out the app how it works. But also you can, as I said, you can actually create a testing group that you let other people to use your app. So yeah, thank you so much for like watching me and following the steps. So I hope that you're also building your dream mobile app and just make money with it. So you can go build your native mobile apps with natively build it and launch it to iOS and Android. So good luck, and next video will be about how to actually push it from test flight to App Store. So because now we're in the phase first of App Store deployment. So good luck, and yeah, super excited to see what you're building. So have a nice day and see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.